Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Walaikum assalam.
What are you guys preparing for?
We are prepared for a science competition.
What is the topic?
The topic is space.
Can I ask you some questions about that?
Yeah, sure.
Hafsa, can you tell me what is sun made of and why it is so important to us?
The sun, it is a huge ball of hydrogen and helium, and when the sun radiates its solar energy, and it makes possible to live on Earth.
That's correct. Hadi, can you tell me what is the name of our home planet?
Yes, it is very easy. It's Earth.
Hafsa, can you tell me which planet is known as the red planet?
I know it very well. It's Mars.
Hafsa, can you tell me a name of a galaxy other than Milky Way?
Oh, I think I don't know this. Hadi can maybe help me.
Yeah, sure. It's Andromeda Galaxy.
That's correct. I think you're doing very great. I hope you will win the competition.
Inshallah.
Thank you so much.
وبث الدعاء الخفي الصريح يسعى